What's up, you guys? It's James Taylor here, and in this video, we're going to be going over data transformation. And the two things we're going to talk about is unpivoting and transposing. That's what we're going to do with this data set. So let's say that there's a company out there who only uses Excel, but they want to update their business practices so that they can refine their data analysis. So they come to me, they want me to use Power BI in order to create graphs and charts, such like that. I would need to transform this data so that it's easy for the computer to read it, so it can make these graphs and make these charts. So as you can see here, this is a wide format. You can tell because there's no if we look at this first column here, there's no repeating values. This whole column is just the month. You got January, February, March, and this whole first row right here, you can tell this is this is just the companies, this first row. So this is easy for us to read, but it's not necessarily easy for the computer to read. So we can transform this by using things like unpivot, transposing, pivot. In this case scenario, we're going to use unpivot and transpose. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna demote this first line right here. In order to do that, we're going to come to transform, and then we're going to come to not transform. We're going to come to home. Use header as first row. We're going to click down on this arrow, click on the bottom, use headers as first row. So now we got all the companies on this bottom, and then we're going to transpose this. So this first column is going to be our first row right here, our first row, and then this first row is going to be our column. And to transpose, you're going to click transform, and then transpose is going to be on the bottom of that. And then I'm going to promote this first row as header, because that's going to be the month and the year. Here, and then I'm gonna change this column 1 into the company name. So we got company name, year, January, February, March. So I'm gonna unpivot this table. I'm gonna unpivot everything except for the company name and the year. So that means we're gonna transform the months, and the month's gonna have its own column where each month's gonna be at, corresponding to the company name. So in order to do that, I'm gonna click company name and then year, and I'm transform. I'm gonna unpivot the other columns. So as you can see here, May, September. This is a long format right here. And we're going to change this into month. And this is the cells right here. And that's how you transform your wide format into a long format data. And that'd be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching.